time, I'm at my father-in-law's garden trying to pick everything before the freeze tonight. And we're gonna start with these huge bell peppers. So big. Wow. Some kind of snack yellow bell. There's another one. I don't know if he has any more bell peppers, but he definitely has lots of spicy peppers. These are spicy banana. These have a kick, but they are not nearly as spicy as everything else in here. Moving up in Scoville, we've got jalapenos. The red ones are going to be sweeter but spicier. Habanero. Gosh, I'm just gonna get this whole handful all at one time. They just keep going. Look, like, yeah, I'll take these, and look at them all. Oh my gosh. A sea of ghost peppers. I don't know how he did this. I am so impressed with the amount of peppers. I don't know how he's gonna use them all, but I'm extremely impressed right now. Like, how do I even do that? How do I pick all those peppers? There's no way. I can try, but goodness gracious. Here's what's in the basket, and it looks like I picked absolutely nothing. I have other things I need to pick for him, so I'm gonna move on, but I cannot believe, I can't believe it. Last of the spicy peppers are the Carolina Reapers. I'm also gonna pick some tomatoes, and look at this beautiful pineapple. Oh, look, it has the pink on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Come off. You can do it. Yes. These are Romas, and a lot of them are just falling to the ground. Look at them all. They're perfectly fine to eat, but I guess when they got ripe, they got too heavy for the vine, they just fell. He's got some kind of small tomato over here. Another pineapple. He told me not to pick, oh, it's a leaf. A leaf. Okay. He told me not to pick it clean, and I definitely didn't, because I think he was worried about trying to process all of it at one time. But I can't get over how much is in there. Look at what I picked. Look at all of that. Oh, so cool. If you're looking for one of these garden shirts, you can find it in the shop in my link tree. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you sure? There's so much stuff.
Did you get some big peppers?
Yes. Look at that.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? Mommy.
Here's my payment for helping him out. He wanted me to do one more task for him. I noticed that his saffron bed is mostly picked, but this is a bloom. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now I'm heading back over to my house so that I can put the cold frame tops on and cover the potatoes and the broccoli. Harvest time, and tonight we're expecting a freeze. A lot of things have survived the cooler weather that we've been having, but I don't think much is gonna survive tonight, except for the stuff that's supposed to take a frost or a freeze, like my brassicas and anything that's in my cold frames. I've already closed up the greenhouse and turned on the heat. Let's see what tomatoes we can get. These are Jet Setter. And I'm gonna take this green one because it's not gonna survive the night. And this one. Actually, I forgot that I wanted to harvest from a couple of my citrus trees in the greenhouse, so let me go get those. I'm gonna take some limes. Oh, that one came right off. And I'm gonna take this one. These are called Orange Russian, and I was hoping that they would ripen before I had to pick them, but they're not gonna survive overnight, so I gotta pick them green. I just discovered this parsley that's come back to life, so I'm gonna take a whole bunch of this because we eat a lot of parsley. Jersey Devil. Look at this mortgage lifter in here. It's actually a really nice tomato. A little Park Swapper. German Johnson. Oh my goodness, look at this dahlia. Wow. Volunteer cherry tomatoes. Moving on to sweet peppers, and these are Fuji jalapeno. California Wonder. More Fuji jalapeno. Candy cane chocolate. King of the North. A Big Bertha that's not so big. But this one's a nice size. And I'm really excited because I have some edamame ready. This is really exciting. Moving on to bush beans, and these are called Dragon Tongue. A couple of Royal Burgundy. And snap peas, and these are called Super Sugar Snap. I want to remember to grow this variety again in the fall because they've done really well. Look what was hiding in here. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty. This is a pineapple Hawaiian. Ooh, and some volunteer cilantro. Look, there was a plant here. All of these seeds fell, and now it's growing all over the wood chips. And I am gonna take it. Salsa tonight, for sure. And all of these late season raspberries. These are called Double Gold. I mean, are those not the most beautiful raspberries you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. And look at all the red heritage too. And gold. Cucamelons. I'm gonna take this kohlrabi. I made a kohlrabi slaw the other day for dinner and it was delicious. I did film it, so that's coming soon. Oh my goodness, my broccoli looks so good. So does this cabbage. Pak choi. And we had the pak choi with dinner too. Oh, so good. And of course, some salad greens. Look. It's so pretty. Flashy trout back. Outrageous. And my personal favorite, red sails. It's crunchy and beautiful. That's pretty much all you need in salad. Don't forget to follow me on Substack for more detailed gardening content. Harvest time! And today I'm gonna start with the most expensive spice in the world. The saffron is in bloom and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take the whole bloom. Just makes it a little bit easier to harvest. And even though it's November, I'm still harvesting warm weather crops.
Like these double gold raspberries that will not quit. Heritage red. And gold. Cucamelons. I'm definitely making cucamelon pickles this week.
As always, you can get my shirts in my shop in my link tree.
Snappies are still going strong. These are called Super Sugar Snap. Just one sugar sprint. Never mind, I found a couple more. Just a few bush beans, and this is called dragon tongue. Once again, there are more than I thought. Royal burgundy, spicy peppers, and these are ghost. Habanero, mild habanero, jalapeno, red jalapeno, yellow jalapeno, brown jalapeno, and purple jalapeno. Jalapenos! Oh my goodness, look, this is an eggplant. This is called Prosperosa, and I'm not sure if it's any good, but I'm gonna give it a try. Sun gold tomatoes. Shimmer tomatoes. This tomato is starting to show a little bit of color, and I think it is a Pantano Romanesco. Volunteer cherries. Some of my garlic is popping up. Yay! This carrot is all by itself. That's so funny. That's a good carrot. I'm genuinely surprised. This is so awesome. Pak choi. And lettuce greens. Starting with outrageous. Flashy trout's back. And red sails. And don't forget to follow me on Substack for more detailed gardening content.